Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot by palm swipe method in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here, this is the page I would like to take a screenshot. So, to take screenshot by palm swipe with your hand palm, swipe from the left side to right side of the screen or right side to the left side of the screen. See the demo. Screenshot is taken. Now right side to left side. Screenshot is taken. So in this way you can easily take screenshot. As well you can take long screenshot. Swipe, then click on enlarging icon in the captured image and the image will be enlarging. If you want to stop, click over the image, and this is the long screenshot. If you would like to share it, click on share button and you can send it to your officials or your friends or relatives or whatever you want. Okay. If you want to edit this screenshot, yes, you can do it. Click on edit button. There are various editing options: crop, adjust, filters, markup, more. So in this way you can easily take screenshot by palm swipe method in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.